Make yourself an ark of cypress wood. Make rooms in the ark and cover it inside and out with pitch. And of every living thing, of all flesh, you shall bring 2 of every kind into the ark, to keep them alive with you, from God. The flood continued 40 days on College Avenue, and the waters increased, and bore up the ark, and it rose high above College Avenue. The waters swelled and increased greatly on College Avenue, and the ark floated on the face of the waters. But I remembered Noah and all the wild animals that were with him in the ark. I made a wind blow over College Avenue, and the waters subsided. And the animals rejoiced. Can I get a cleanup on College Avenue?